Alright, what's up guys? It's Eric. We're back again with another review. So today I have the hybrid racing shifters for the Acura RSX. So this is a version 3. The first one came out in 2012. So this is a version 3 now. It's slightly different. They improve each time. And they used to have gold color ones, gold orange colors, and now it's the red and black. So it's kind of interesting how they changed their whole branding to different colors, but in my opinion the red and black look really nice. So let's get right into it. Sorry, forgot to mention before we get into it, I have the two colors, the red and the black, both here, but we'll probably only unbox one of them since it's gonna be the same thing but different color. Alright, so I'm gonna open the red one, the dust red. So when they were first changing the colors, they actually had the red ones called the launch edition, but now they're gonna standardize the colors to red and black, so it's not really a launch anymore. So right from the top, you get this part which goes on the top. So here's the top portion, here's the base. There it is. All the padding was just the paper. As usual, the quality is always really nice from hybrid racing. The red tone, I really like the color they chose. It just looks really nice and high quality. So other than that, they just have a card here with their social media, some nuts and bolts, and the shifter portion. Alright guys, so I'm opening the top portion for you guys right now. Here's the top portion. So what makes this one different also from V3 and V2, they had a spring right here. Now everything is internal, so you don't see it, which I believe it makes it more smooth. So the cool thing about hybrid racing shifters is because everything's adjustable. So right here, you get the shift knob goes here. You can adjust just using a hex right here. What's a hex tool called again? Allen wrench. Just so you, adjustability is really easy. So all you need is Allen wrench. Put it right here, and your shift knob goes here, and you can adjust the height of this. So this can go here. You can have it this way. So when you're shifting, it can either be closer to you or you can have it further from you. And you can adjust the height, the top higher or lower. So everything about it is customizable, including the throw of the shifts as well. So if you like a short shift, more short shifts or longer shifts, you can do whatever you like, which is very cool. You can angle it if you want. So I don't know if people do this, you can go this way and shift this way. Alright guys, let me give you a demo of how the shifter works. So since everything's internal, you don't actually see the spring that the version 2 had outside. So as you can see, when it goes up and down, just this part moves. And what's cool is when you move left and right, that part moves up and down as well. So if you had, checking to see if it's in neutral, shake it left and right. And first gear, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Pretty cool. I actually never tried this in a car. I would love to. But yeah. So you could have, so as I said earlier, you can have it this way as well. So if you wanted the shifter a little further away from you, or your shifter would be up here. Yeah. Okay, so as you see up here, there's also degrees that kind of shows you the angle of your shifter. But hybrid racing, of all the parts that I've unboxed before, their quality is second to none, honestly. I don't think I've seen a nicer belt shifter. Like, it's really strong. They have a little badging here and the part number. So the black one is 22, the red one is 21. I didn't explain the branding on the items because I thought you guys would have seen the version 2. But as you can see, there's hybrid racing right here. Hybrid racing. Hybrid racing, hybrid racing. They like to put their logo all over it, but I think it looks really nice. Otherwise, it looked pretty plain. They have the badging here. So as I mentioned before, I believe it's for the Type R. They had a launch edition when they first introduced the red, but now they're replacing the orange with red and black, which is pretty cool. Some people like to remove the shift boot so you can see this piece, which is pretty cool for the race car look. It's funny because it looks like a helicopter. All right. So in my opinion, the red looks more aggressive, stands out a little bit more. But you know, if you want a more plain, simple, minimal, this one looks better. So another difference between this and the version 2 is the body is lighter and stronger. So leave in the comments, let me know which color would you guys pick, or would you like the original orange? Alright guys, so that's all I have for you guys today. So if you guys have any questions, I can, to my best knowledge, help you guys out if I know the answer. But other than that, if you guys can help me out by subscribing down below, it takes 5 seconds, but it would mean a lot, and it'll let me know you guys actually want to watch these kind of videos. And yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.